in this video, you will have a clear roadmap of how everyday people are using AI to build real income streams in 2026 and beyond. And the best part, you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need thousands of dollars to start, and you don't need years of experience. You just need the right strategy, the right mindset, and a simple step-by-step plan. Welcome back to AI Side Hustle, the channel where we turn smart tools into smart income. Before we go deep into this roadmap, do me a quick favor, Slack. If you want more videos like this that show you realistic ways to earn with AI, hit the like button and subscribe right now. It helps the channel grow, and it tells YouTube to show this content to more people who want financial freedom. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's talk honestly for a second. Most people hear AI income and they imagine something complicated, risky, or scammy. But the truth is, AI is just a tool. Just like the internet was a tool. Just like smartphones were tools. The people who learned early made the most money, too. The people who waited usually ended up working for those who learned early. This video is your chance to be on the right side of that story. I want you to imagine this roadmap like a journey. You don't have to do all 10 ideas at once. You don't even have to be perfect. You just pick one, start small, and slowly build momentum. That's how real side hustles turn into full-time income streams. Let's start with the first income path: AI content creation for social media and brands. Right now, millions of businesses need content every single day. Instagram posts, TikTok scripts, YouTube descriptions, product captions, email newsletters. Most business owners don't have time to write all of that. This is where you come in. With AI tools, you can generate high-quality content in minutes. Your job is not to write from scratch. Your job is to understand the brand voice. Use AI to speed up the process and deliver polished results. You can start by offering simple packages on freelance platforms or directly reaching out to small businesses. Imagine charging just $300 per client per month. Now, imagine having only 10 clients. That's $3,000 per month. And the workload is manageable because AI does the heavy lifting. This is not theory. People are already doing this quietly and consistently. Now let's move to the second idea: AI-powered YouTube automation. You don't have to show your face. You don't even have to use your own voice. With AI, you can generate scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, and even video clips. The key here is niche selection, NIT. Instead of trying to go viral with random content, you pick evergreen niches like motivation, finance, health tips, travel facts, or storytelling. You create consistent content, let YouTube's algorithm work for you, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. At first, income may be slow. But once your channel grows, it becomes a digital asset that can pay you month after month. Think long-term here. This is not a get-rich-quick plan. This is a build once, earn many times model. The third idea is AI freelancing services. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning because people already pay for these services. Examples include AI resume writing, AI-powered website copy, product descriptions for e-commerce stores, chatbots set up for businesses, and email marketing sequences. Instead of learning everything manually, you use AI tools as your assistant. You position yourself as a problem solver, not just a tool user. When a business owner comes to you, they don't care what software you use. They care about results. If you can help them get more leads, more sales, or save time, they will pay you. Start with one skill. Master the process, then scale. Now let's talk about the fourth income stream: AI print-on-demand and design services. Many people think design requires years of practice. But with AI image generation tools, you can create high-quality designs for t-shirts, mugs, posters, and phone cases. You don't need inventory. You don't need a warehouse. You upload designs to print-on-demand platforms, connect them to an online store, and market through social media or ads. The secret here is not just making cool designs. It's about niche targeting. Funny quotes for pet lovers, gym motivation for fitness fans, inspirational quotes for office workers. When you combine AI creativity with niche research, you create products people actually want to buy. The fifth idea is AI blogging and niche websites. This one is powerful for passive income lovers. You create a blog around a specific topic like home improvement, travel tips, health supplements, or tech reviews. You use AI to help write articles, optimize them for search engines, and post consistently over time. As your website ranks on Google, you earn money from ads, affiliate links, and sponsored content. The beauty of this model is compounding growth. One article can bring traffic for years. One affiliate link can generate commissions while you sleep. Again, patience is key. But once it works beautifully. Now let's shift into something many people overlook: AI video editing and short-form content services. Right now, every creator wants to post shorts, reels, and TikToks, but editing takes time, too. With AI tools that automatically cut videos, add captions, and improve audio, you can offer fast turnaround services. You can charge per video or offer monthly packages. Creators are happy to outsource this because it saves them hours every week. You become part of their growth journey, and that creates long-term clients. The seventh idea is AI voiceover and audiobook creation. With natural-sounding AI voices, you can create audiobooks, meditation tracks, explicable videos, and even podcast-style content. You can sell these on platforms, offer services to authors, or create your own digital products. Imagine creating a simple motivational audiobook and selling it globally. Once it's created, distribution is almost automatic. Now let's talk about AI-powered e-commerce optimization. Many online stores struggle with product descriptions, ad copy, customer support, and SEO. You can offer AI-based optimization services where you improve store listings, automate customer replies with chatbots, and optimize ads. This is high-value work. Businesses are willing to pay because it directly impacts their revenue. You're not selling time. You're selling performance. The ninth income stream is AI course and digital product creation. If you learn one AI skill really well, you can package that knowledge into a simple course, guide, or template. You don't need to be famous. You just need to solve a specific problem for a specific audience. For example, how to use AI to write real estate listings, or how to create viral TikTok hooks with AI. Once created, this becomes scalable income. You sell the same product to unlimited people. Finally, the 10th idea is AI consulting for small businesses. This might sound advanced, but it's simpler than you think. Many business owners know AI exists, but they don't know how to use it. You help them choose tools, set up workflows, and train their teams. You don't need to build AI models. You just need to understand tools and business needs. This positions you as an expert and allows you to charge premium rates. Now, here's the most important part of this entire roadmap. Tools don't make money. Action does. Consistency does. Patience does. You can watch 100 videos, save 50 ideas, and still earn nothing if you don't start. I want you to pick just one idea from this list and commit to it for the next 30 days. Not forever, just 30 days. Learn, test, improve. That's how momentum is built. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a girl who started with zero experience, no audience, and no money. She picked AI content services. At first, she struggled to get clients, but she kept improving her outreach messages, improved her portfolio using AI-generated samples, and stayed consistent. After 3 months, she landed her first recurring client. Then another. Then another. Within 6 months, she replaced her full-time income. Not because she was special, but because she didn't quit when it felt slow. And this is where AI side hustle comes in. This channel is not about hype, it's about building realistic income streams with smart tools. If you stay connected, keep learning, and keep experimenting, your future self will thank you. Now, as we move toward the end of this video, I want you to reflect for a moment. Which idea excited you the most? Which one felt realistic for your current skills and lifestyle? That's your starting point. If this video gave you value, don't just keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who is tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Share it with someone who wants more freedom. And drop a comment below telling me which AI income idea you want to try first. I read your comments, and they help shape future content. Remember this, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Your AI income roadmap begins with one small step today. Thank you for watching AI Side Hustle. And I'll see you in the next video where we break down these ideas even deeper and turn them into real action plans.